Right now, the total value of the Bitcoin network is above $2 trillion. So it's still a very small percentage of the price of stocks or the price of bonds or the price of real estate, but it's climbing. The price of Bitcoin is climbing as people are increasingly figuring out that what they really wanted all along was a better money that was liquid, that they could buy and sell anytime they wanted, that increased in value consistently, that was actually what they've been looking for rather than what they're actually getting with stocks and bonds and real estate, which is a much riskier and much less liquid, meaning harder to buy and sell version. So anyway, over time, Bitcoin will demonetize everything that has a monetary premium, and Bitcoin itself will acquire a larger and larger and larger monetary premium, which is completely normal. That's what you expect in a functioning economy. The things that are better at money have a bigger monetary premium. The things that are worse as money have a lower monetary premium. And because Bitcoin is the perfect monetary instrument, meaning it has the ideal properties of an ideal money, ultimately it will demonetize everything that has a monetary premium. Now, the largest monetary premium of any single asset is still gold. Gold is valued at something like $18 trillion. And Bitcoin is down at a measly $2 trillion. All the value of the gold in the world is roughly 10 times as valuable as all the Bitcoin in the world. Again, that is due to the gold's monetary premium, which has been built up over 5,000 years. But Bitcoin has already, just in 16 years, gone from 0 to 10% of gold's monetary premium. And that is accelerating. So very quickly, as Bitcoin adoption increases, the monetary premium, it will go from 10% of the price of gold to 20% to 30%, 40%, 50%, etc. And me and many others believe at some point that Bitcoin will surpass the price of gold. What that means is it's a great time to buy Bitcoin, because if you are planning to store your wealth in stocks and bonds and real estate, those are being slowly demonetized by Bitcoin, the same way that the US dollar has been demonetized over time, because they print so much of it that everyone tries to get out of the US dollar and into something that is not subject as brutally to inflation, which is why a lot of people have assets in stocks and bonds and real estate, because the US dollar is losing value so quickly that they can't just hold their wealth in US dollars and hope for the best. And a lot of people wish they could. They wish they could just hold US dollars and everything would be okay. But it's not, because the government never stops printing money. And on average, over the last 100 years, it's printed about 7% more money every year. In total, your dollars are going to have about 7% less purchasing power every year, because that's how much new dollars are created out of thin air that you don't get.